Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If your Binance face verification keeps failing, you can fix it using the annual appeal method. Go to the verification page and select manual verification, then confirm it's your own account. After that, upload a video statement where you hold your ID card and clearly show your face. In the video, say your name, your country, and the required declaration shown on the screen. If the video file is too large, compress it using any free online video compressor until it is under the required size. Then upload it again. Next, take a clear selfie from your front camera and upload it as well. After that, submit your appeal. Binance will review it and usually respond within a few hours or day via email or SMS. Once approved, your face verification will work normally again. Thanks for watching.